This small fort-type structure that you're noticing on the water is actually claimed to be a country. Well, no matter how surprising it sounds, this is the Principality of Sealand. But how can something like this be a sovereign nation? Well, let's find out. It all started during the World War II, when the British established a few military forts on the water near their coast to prevent from German attacks. After the war was over, these were left abandoned. That's when we introduced Mr. Roy Bates in our story. He wanted to open a radio station in Britain, but at that time, it was forbidden to start a new radio station except for BBC. Then he came to know that these military forts over here were actually not inside British territory at that time and situated on international waters. Thus, in 1967, he decided to establish his radio station over here. But then, an idea came to his mind. Since no one else was the owner of this place, if he wanted, he could make it his own country. Thus, he claimed this land to be his country. He made a passport, his own currency, and even a flag for the Principality of Sealand. And thus, this is one of the many micronations in the earth in history. Although it's not internationally recognized by other countries to be a country for obvious reasons, but still, the current Prince of Sealand believe that it is a country and a sovereign nation of itself. That's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and Assalamu alaikum.